Hey guys, I'm back with another video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how we can upgrade PHP version in a SiteGround hosting. So you can see this is the email. In this email, SiteGround is saying that the default PHP version on our server will be upgraded to 7.3 to 7.4. So it is good idea to check our websites if they are working fine with 7.4 or what, if there is any break or something like that. They are going to update from June 10 to June 21. So we should check it before that if our site will break or not. So this is good idea to manually uh, update the PHP version and check website. If everything is fine, then we are good. So to do so, you first need to log into your SiteGround account. After logging into your SiteGround account, go to websites. Once you have your websites, just simply go to the site tools of the website which you want to update PHP version. Okay, and then go to devs and then PHP manager. Here you can see the current version is PHP 7.3.27 and it is a managed PHP version, so they will update it automatically. Instead of that, we are going to do it manually. So managed PHP should be changed to change PHP version manually, and now we are going to update 7.3.7 to 7.4.16 and confirm. Thus our PHP version is updated in this particular website. So go to that website, check front end and back end properly. If everything is working fine, then we can simply here change to manage PHP. Okay, this one, manage PHP, and whenever they will update the version, it will be automatically updated. And thank you for watching this video. See you in next video. Please comment on this video if you have any other questions, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.